Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that? What is that, Private Pilot?
Excuse me. Would you like to see a magic trick? Well, if you turn on your lights, I'm gonna disappear. It's a cool trick. It's pretty cool.
Oh, hell no!
Fucker,
What's your profanity?
punk ass. Hey, was soll das? Vor mir rausfahren.
It was at this moment that he knew.
He get the tomato.
Thomas.
Hello there.
Cutie pie. Finish him.
I'm too weak. Oh, don't kill me.
Not too fast like Dicky. That's fucking too fast, Dicky. Fucking stop him. Fuck are you looking at, Dicky?
I hate being so attractive. Girls always catcall me when I'm biking.
Get out of the way!
She wants me.
My pants are riding up like a hoochie mama. Somebody else is stupid enough to be riding out in this cold weather. Woo!
Hi, how are you?
Sorry to hear about your penis, bro. Two hands, one hand, no hands, no hands. Here we go. That bird could definitely swallow me whole. Hey, look, it's my ex. Got some caffeine, got some caffeine, got some caffeine, got some caffeine!
Excuse me, you guys got some cool bikes. What do you do for a living?
We're a biker gang.
That's cool.
You wanna come ride with us?
Sure.
Or hop on, Daddy?
Isn't this trespassing?
We go by our own laws because we're gangster and nothing can stop us. What the?
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
Oh, yeah?
Put your head on my...
What happened?
Your tag's hanging on your tire.
Oh, oh my God. Hope whoever placed this here fucking sucks.
Right, hey guys, we're going to be doing an LXR ride test today. A big bike, never ridden one of these, so let's see how it goes.
Riding in the UK be like.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.